Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Heyy, a tool that claims to automate customer messaging across WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, and live chat with AI employees. With the tool, you use AI to automatize your customer service interaction in WhatsApp, Instagram Messenger, or live chat. And the deals change significantly depending on the tier. So you're gonna get more credits per month, more AI employees, more AI knowledge base, actions, automation as well, because of the tier being the tier 3 the best one with all the features. So if you want journeys, team inbox, and saved items, you need the tier 3. So let's take a look at the tool. Here you have the tool, and the first thing that you want to do is to connect your channels. So you can choose between email, SMS, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, or live chat. For the sake of that review, let's choose live chat. You can change the color to fit with your brand, and then you're gonna add your website. You're gonna embed the code, the live chat there. You can change the internal name, the display name, the profile picture of the live chat, message placeholder. Everything is changeable, and you can remove the powers by Heyy branding. You can change the style, dark or light, change the primary color, and to install, you just copy and paste the script on the head of your website. If you have the WordPress, there's all the information here. It's easy to set up. Then when you're ready, just save. Then you hire an employee. You can choose their photo the way that you want, change their role, and change the model. There are many models, GPT-5, Gemini, GPT-4. So just change the model that they will work. You can see their persona here, and you just hire to work on their website. You can choose many automations by use case marketing to greet new customer automatically with a personalized message. Sales to hand over the conversation to an AI employee when they started to talk on the live chats. And I'm gonna get all your inbox here on the left. Here I have no chats, signed and unassigned, the contacts that you got, your AI employee that you have now, the automations you started, and also the campaigns. So it's pretty easy to use. Just connect your channel, hire the AI employee, and publish the automations that you want. The AI employee will handle the conversation, and then you can respond afterwards if you want. I hope you like that review. Thank you so much.